Today we discuss area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2. In general, we use 1 by 2 base into height. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 base into height. या 1 by 2 base into altitude. हाइट या एल्टीट्यूड हम लोग यूज करते हैं 1 by 2 बेस इंटू हाइट या एल्टीट्यूड. In this formula we use in this triangle clearly given by base and corresponding altitudes and height. जहां पे आपको ये बेस गिवन है और ये एल्टीट्यूड या हाइट गिवन है. In this triangle, we use this formula in mensuration. Area of triangle 1 by 2 base into height. Yeah, in this triangle, in a right angle triangle, clearly this is base and this is height. Area of triangle 1 by 2 base into height. Area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to √3 by 4 side square. In this formula, use a given equilateral triangle and measurement of all sides is a. Then we use the formula √3 by 4 a square. √3 by 4 a square. Last class we discussed area of rhombus 1 by 2 d1 into d2. 1 by 2 d1 into d2 and 1 by 2 into diagonal first into diagonal second. उसका भी यूज करेंगे. Clearly here given three terms: area, base and height. Three terms: area, base and height. Any two terms given, then we find third terms. It means area is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Base is equal to 2 into area by height, and height is equal to 2 into area by base. Base is equal to 2 into area by height, and base height is equal to 2 into area by base. वन बाय वन इस तरह से आप लोग ऐड होइएगा तो मेरे लिए मुश्किल हो जाएगा. फर्स्ट 5 मिनट में आप ऐड हो जाइए, जिससे कि हम आपको आसानी से ऐड कर सके. जब एक बार पढ़ाना शुरू कर देते हैं तो ध्यान पढ़ाई की तरफ चला जाता है, तो ऐड करना मुश्किल होता है और बाद में आप कंप्लेन कीजिएगा कि हमको ऐड नहीं किए. इसलिए हम फर्स्ट 5 मिनट ऐड करते रहते हैं सबको. उसके बाद जब हमको दिखता है तो हम ऐड कर देते हैं, अदरवाइज अपना वर्क करते रहते हैं. ओके, कैन इरेज ब्लैक बोर्ड? कैन इरेज बोर्ड? यस सर, इसको नोट कर लिए और इसको याद भी कर लेना है। Then we start worksheet 4. Worksheet 4, question number 1. Here, the area of triangle is 90 centimeter square. Given area of triangle is equal to 90 centimeter square. And base is 15 centimeter. Base of triangle is equal to 15 centimeter. Find its altitude. Altitude is equal to 2 into area divided by base. This is equal to 2 into 90 divided by 15. 15 6 are 90. 6 into 2, 12 centimeter. Altitude is equal to 12 centimeter. Altitude is equal to 12 centimeter. It is clear? Question number 2. Find the base of triangular whose area is 0.48 dm square. Area is equal to 0.48 dm square, and altitude is equal to 8 centimeter. Altitude is equal to 8 centimeter. Here find base. First we change into both are same unit. Here we observe area in dm square and altitude in centimeter. So first we change both are same unit. Okay, change in same unit. So 0.48 dm square is equal to 48 centimeter square. डीएम को सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करने के लिए 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं एंड डीएम स्क्वायर को चेंज करने के लिए 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट प्रोसेस है कि फर्स्ट प्रोसेस वी चेंज इन 1 यूनिट या सेम यूनिट, बोथ आर सेंटीमीटर या बोथ आर dm square. Generally we change in centimeter and meter square for requirement. Same process, base. Base is equal to 2 into area by altitude is equal to 2 into 48 by 8. 8 is the 48, 6 to the 12 centimeter square. Sorry, base है 12 centimeter. Base is equal to 12 centimeter. First you discuss कि 3 terms area, base, altitude and area. Any 2 terms are given, third term we find. Here area and base is given, we find altitude. Here area and altitude is given, find base. Can you erase blackboard? Next question is right angle triangle. Find the area of right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. Question number 3. This is a right angle triangle and this is right angle. Here hypotenuse means opposite side of right angle. You know that? You know that in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the opposite side of a right angle. So 37 and one side is 5 centimeter. Any one is 5 centimeter. Suppose this is 5 centimeter. Area of triangle 1 by 2 base into height, but height is not given. Area of triangle 1 by 2 base into height, but height is not given in this figure. So first we find AB, then we find area of triangle. Use of formula, we find AB, Pythagoras theorem. In a Pythagoras theorem, we know that AB is equal to root under AC का square minus BC का square by Pythagoras theorem. ये कहां से आया? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से आया. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम में क्या होता है? In a right angle triangle, a square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of the sum of the other two sides. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम में बताया गया है कि हाइपोटेनस का जो स्क्वायर होगा इस दोनों के स्क्वायर के बराबर होगा. इसी का यूज करके हम लोग AB फाइंड करेंगे. एंड AB इज इक्वल टू AC माइनस BC. इट मींस AC का स्क्वायर 13 का स्क्वायर माइनस 5 का स्क्वायर 169 माइनस 25 इज इक्वल टू 144 इज इक्वल टू 12 centimeter. We find AB is equal to 12 centimeter. Then we find area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. 2 6 12 is equal to 30 centimeter square. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height 30 centimeter square. इट इज क्लियर? एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल का हाइट क्या निकाले आप? 12 सेंटीमीटर निकाले ना। ए बी हाइट यही ना हुआ, हाइट एल्टीट्यूड ये हुआ। ए बी कितना निकाले हैं? 12 सेंटीमीटर। तो हियर वी राइट प्लेस ऑफ हाइट इज 12 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, ओके। Erase, can erase board? Can erase board? Okay. Next question, find the area of isosceles right triangle. Isosceles right triangle means, you know that in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is a longest side. You know that in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is longest side. This is a right angle triangle. So this is hypotenuse and this is longest side. It means isosceles right angle triangle means base and perpendicular are equal. Base and hypotenuse are equal, not equal, and perpendicular and hypotenuse not equal. Isosceles right angle triangle means two triangles. Isosceles right angle triangle means two sides are equal. In a right angle triangle, two sides are equal, or in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is longest side, then two equal sides are perpendicular and base. Two equal sides are perpendicular and base. It means given that equal sides is 15 centimeter, so base is 15 centimeter and perpendicular is also 15 centimeter. Area of isosceles right triangle या right angle triangle is equal to 1/2 15 into 15 is equal to 225/2 112.5 centimeter square. Okay. Question number 5 is same. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 बिल्कुल सेम है.